Unit 8. Word list. Broad. If something is broad, it is wide.
The river is very long and broad.
Bush. A bush is a plant with many thin branches. It is smaller than a tree.
My dad and I planted some small bushes around the house.
Capable. If someone or something is capable of something, they can do it.
The Olympic athlete is capable of lifting a lot of weight.
Cheat. To cheat is to be dishonest, so that you can win or do well.
They cheated on the test by sharing answers.
Concentrate. To concentrate on someone or something is to give your full attention.
I could not concentrate on my homework because the room was so loud.
Conclude. To conclude is to arrive at a logical end by looking at evidence.
I saw crumbs on my dog's face, so I concluded that he ate my cookie.
Confident. Confident means that one believes they can do something without failing.
She was confident she could climb the mountain due to her training.
Considerable. If something is considerable, it is large in size, amount, or extent.
They paid a considerable amount of money for that car.
Convey. To convey is to communicate or make ideas known.
That picture of a crying child conveys a feeling of sadness.
Definite. If something is definite, it is certain or sure to be true.
There is a definite connection between hard work and success.
Delight. Delight is a feeling of being very happy with something.
He felt such delight after getting a promotion at work.
Destination. A destination is the place where someone or something is going to.
The destination of this plane is Munich, Germany.
Dictate. To dictate something is to read it aloud so it can be written down.
He dictated his speech so his secretary could write it down.
Edge. The edge of something is the part of it that is farthest from the center.
He ran to the edge of the cliff.
Path. A path is a way from one place to another that people can walk along.
We followed a path through the woods.
Resort. To resort to something is to depend on it in order to solve a problem.
I hope they don't resort to violence to end the argument.
Shadow. A shadow is the dark area that is made when something blocks light.
The man's shadow was taller than he was.
Succeed. To succeed is to complete something that you planned or tried to do.
He will continue to work on the robot until he succeeds.
Suspect. To suspect something is to believe that it is true.
I suspect that those kids stole the money.
Valley. A valley is a low area of land between two mountains or hills.
We looked at the valley below from the top of the mountain.